Welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today we're going to talk about the new Tempur-Pedic Pro Adapt Medium Mattress. Brand new mattress, came out about 2 months ago. We've had it on our floors. We're going to give you a review and an overview. Of course, I need my mattress prints to appear and give me some very important questions, and then of course the review. Whoa! Alright, so first thing is this actually has a smart cover dual cool system.
What's a dual cool system, King?
Alright, so what I want you to do, this is crazy, this is some crazy technology here. Feel that.
Feels pretty cool. Yeah.
Alright, now feel that.
That's even cooler.
Crazy, right? So the new covers versus the old mattresses, they actually feature dual cool. So when you go into bed, you're immediately going to feel refreshed right when you get into this mattress. It's very cool technology.
Is this for back sleepers, King?
Great question. I actually do recommend this particular mattress to back sleepers. It does have the pressure relief material, which most beds will feature any side back or stomach sleeper, but I predominantly say firm beds are great for for back sleepers and stomach sleepers, not so much side sleepers, because you get a lot of pressure on those firm beds on your shoulder and your hip. So usually back sleepers like this a little better than their side sleepers, but that's a great question.
What kind of warranty does this have, King?
This has a 10-year warranty, as does all Tempur-Pedic mattresses. They all have 10-year warranties, and they are not prorated. So within 9 years, if you have a warranty issue, if you have a body impression of greater than 3/4 of an inch, they'll give you a full replacement. Here's a big question. How many crowns do you give this out of 5?
I give it a 4 crown, King.
4 crowns, and he's a back sleeper, so that's great. 4 out of 5 crowns. Great. See you guys next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King.